This is so funny to me. I'm fully ready for the Eras tour and I'm eating a corn dog. I am about to go leave and I'm gonna go and meet all the people at Rare. It's at a hotel and there's like a getting ready suite or whatever, and then we're gonna go to the show. But like, I'm super weird and I get so hangry, and so because it's like an awkward time, we're not leaving till 3:30. I don't know if there's food there, but we're not leaving until 3:30. So I figured, why not just eat something I have here at the house? And I had a corn dog. So I'm heating up a corn dog and eating it. And I am so excited. I wish that I had like something other than ranch to dip this in, but it's okay. Ranch goes with everything. I'll also show you guys my full fit. I did a get ready. I filmed me doing my makeup on my TikTok, which is why I didn't film it for the vlog, just because I wanted to do it on TikTok. So follow me over there. This is insane of me. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I have the full set list playing right now because I'm just getting so excited. I've been sitting in my house listening to the set list, and I literally started crying like 15 minutes ago, and then I was like, stop, because I have a bunch of black eyeliner on right now, and I was like, I can't. But I was just crying because I was like, it's so cool that I get to go to this and like get to be invited. I know I've said it a million times, but it really is so cool. And like, honestly, I wouldn't have had this opportunity had I not moved to LA, and I'm so grateful for my move here and like meeting the people that I've met and connecting with different people and different brands, and it just means so much to me, and I'm so excited. I'm also excited because I at least know people that are gonna be at the show. I know Lindsay and Caitlin, they work for Rare actually, but they've become some of my like really good friends. And so I know them, obviously. I know like Alicia Maria's going, I saw her. Taylor's going, Abelyn's going. So there's like a bunch of people that I'll know while I'll be there, which will be really nice because I don't know, I just want to have fellow Swifties there, you know? I cannot wait to see what her surprise song is tonight. I also have to leave soon and my phone is only 50%, which sucks so bad. So when I go to the hotel, I'm gonna bring a charger and charge my phone there because I lost my portable charger, which sucks. It's the best portable charger I've ever had in my whole life. I'll link it. It's linked to my Amazon storefront, but it's so good. It like charges your phone so quick. Every time I'm with someone, they're like, does anyone have a portable charger? And I bring it out, they'll be using it for 5 minutes and they're like, oh my God, this is a really good charger. And I'm like, I know. I think it's expensive. Like I think it was like $100 portable charger, but it's so good, especially if your phone dies all the time. I just feel like you need a good one. And I freaking lost mine, which is such a bummer. Luckily, this sounds so whatever, I don't care how it sounds, but luckily we are gonna be in a suite, which is so nice. I've never been in a suite at a concert before, and so I'm assuming because it's a suite, we'll be able, like there will be somewhere where there will be an outlet, so if I bring a charger, I can just plug it in. So I'm gonna pack a charger. Here's my outfit. Okay, so this shirt I ordered online. It's from a girl who has an Etsy. It's called Ova Calculated, I think. Also, what's really cool is I ordered from her and it's shipped, I think, from like an area in Houston where I live. And I was like, wait, this is so cute. I ordered from this girl in my hometown, so I thought that was so cute. She has Harry Styles merch, but I just really like this because it's merch that doesn't look like merch. It says, I had a marvelous time ruining everything, which is so cute. It's a Taylor Swift song, in case any of you guys aren't Swifties. And then I have this little skirt. This is from Daniel Gizio. It's just one of those little sparkly skirts. Everyone wears these. I know they're very popular. And then Rare Beauty sent over this fanny pack. It's from Stony Clover, and look, they sent me this little fanny with my initials on it because you have to have a clear bag to go in the venue. So I'm probably just gonna do it as a shoulder because I don't want to kill the vibe of the outfit, you know? But I'll show you guys what I packed in here. Also, I did my hair in 2 little braids and then I put a bow in just to like make it cute. And I'm wearing Sambas. I am not a heels kind of gal. You guys know this about me. I'm not wearing any heels. So anyway, this is what I have in the bag. I have hand sanitizer. I have eye drops, some lip balm. I have a Rare Beauty setting mist. I have my Rare Beauty lip liner, which I wear literally every day. This is in the shade Wise. And then they also sent me these, which these are Rare Beauty like blotting sheets. This is like the coolest little compact, but it has one of these little puffs, so you can go and like, you know, dab if you're really greasy and oily. And then it also has blot and glow sheets, so you like take one of them out and you can dab wherever and it'll kind of take away the oil if you get sweaty, which I probably will. And then I have my ID, and then I have a necklace that I packed for Caitlin because she wanted to borrow one for her outfit. So that's what's in my little fanny pack. It's actually so cute, and I am so excited. I'm probably gonna grab one more snack, and then I'm gonna go. I'm here, I'm at the hotel. Why do I look like an alien in this thing? We're here, look how cute, you guys. There's little sandwiches, burgers, fries. Oh, you guys have friendship bracelets? These are so cute. Lindsay wants to match. Look at our skirts. We're twinning. She looks so cute. Welcome to the rare room. We've got boas, all the bracelets. They're so cute. Lindsay, what is this thing called again? It's called something. It's like a bling bling. Oh, duh. We're adding the jewels, obviously. Wait, this is cute. Okay, look at our little sweatshirts. They waited 18 hours in line outside. They camped and they picked these up. Caitlin and Lindsay did. Yeah. No, I'm actually so excited. Also, look at all of our, oh, it's not focusing. Hold on, focus. She has the 13 on, and we have friendship bracelets, and they have them for like every single area. So we've got reputation, folklore. They're so cute. We're on the bus, and we're headed to see Taylor, so cheers. All right, we made it to SoFi. We're here. I'm so excited. There's so many people outside. The concert does not start for an hour and a half, but we're ready. Are we not? Are we not? One van is over there. Our troop is here. It looks so cute. Have fun. Again, give us a little twirl, babe.
I have Taylor's version. Oh my god, just a lover one. Oh my god, okay, what else can I give you? I have Swifty. Yeah, let's go for it. Okay, I love. Oh my god, I love you guys. The last lady would not trade with me. She was like, I'm getting off.
Just look at where we are. This is Avon's first ever Taylor show. Your first
Ever.
Okay, loving this for you guys. Look how close we are. We're right on the floor. We ordered food. I got, oh, I wish it would focus. I got nachos, and we have cookies everywhere. This is our view. It looks so pretty.
We're gonna play a couple more songs, and then we're all gonna cry our eyes out watching Taylor Swift in this room.
We're getting a little pep in our step, aka Coke and Sprite. Coke and Sprite, maybe a Red Bull later. Yeah. We just watched Gracie perform, and it was really cute. And that's pretty much it. Taylor's trading bracelets left and right. I got a lot of friendship bracelets. So many friendships. So cute. We're waiting for Taylor. She's almost out. Oh my god, how much longer? What time is it? 20 more minutes. 20 more minutes?
Like a million people a day. There's so many ways to get paid.
Your first Eras tour, what did you think about it?
It was honestly the best night of my life. I had like crying dried spots on my makeup because I was crying really bad when it first started.
Oh my gosh. Wait, what was your favorite era? I have to know.
Low-key, Folklore and Midnights. Like I had a lot of fun during
so much fun.
Midnights was really fun.
Yeah, Midnights is really good. Also, that's what I was telling you, like I'm not a huge Reputation girl, but
oh, I love
in the concert, I feel like Reputation is just so fun.
So
it's the next day. It's currently 12:45 and I'm still trying to piece myself together. I'm so tired. Every freaking beginning of a vlog, I'm like, I'm so exhausted, you guys, because it's been non-stop stuff every day. Like, I just feel like we always have stuff. So I woke up at like 10 this morning, which is only like 2 hours ago. So I'm really tired. I made myself breakfast and now I'm dressed, as you can see, because Brandon and I have a wedding. He's actually in the wedding, so he's not here. He had to drive and go get ready and stuff with them, but I'm gonna meet him at the wedding and go to the wedding. It's at 4 o'clock and it's about an hour away where I live. So that's why I'm getting ready right now, because I'm gonna have to leave much earlier. I got home last night at like 2:30 or so, which is pretty late. We got back from the concert. It was literally the best night ever, you guys. It was so much fun. I had the best time. I also like that experience of having a suite like on the floor is just absolutely insane. I've never been in a suite at a concert, and I've just never experienced something like that, and I absolutely never will again, because obviously I could never afford that. So it was just so cool. Like, we were literally just in this big suite. I was on the floor. You could see everything, and they just had like people coming over, like, do you want water? Do you want Coke? Do you want food? And we could just like order whatever, which was just like insane, because that's like the worst thing about concerts is when you're hungry and you want to run up and grab food, but you don't want to miss anything, where you're really thirsty and you're trying to plan out like, when can I go and get something? The Taylor Swift concert is not as, like, there's no skippable songs, so it's definitely harder because you want to see the whole thing. But anyway, that was like so nice. We also were just like all trading bracelets with people, and it was just the cutest experience ever. I absolutely died for it. The surprise songs we got were incredible. I was so excited about them. We got I Can See You, which is from Speak Now, but it's like, you know, a vault song. It's a new song. And then we also got Maroon, which is just like everything. That's my sister's favorite song off of Midnights, and when I was going with her in Houston, she was like, if she would just please sing Maroon, like, I would be so happy. And she didn't sing it in Houston, she sang it here. But also, it was the first repeat song of tour, so like, she's already actually performed Maroon as a surprise song, and she chose to do it tonight, which I thought was so amazing. Or last night. But I thought it was so amazing because I love Maroon. Literally, when she started singing, Lindsay, my friend Lindsay, she literally fell to the floor. Every single song that was being played, Lindsay was just like collapsing. I was texting with her Taylor this morning, and she's like, I was on the floor 50% of the night. Like, she literally was, because it was just too good, you know? So it was so much fun, and I had a great time, and I'm so grateful for the experience. And now I'm getting ready and getting glammed up to go. I'm wearing this dress. I got it from Amanda Upricher. They sent it over a while ago because there was a brand event I was gonna go to with them, and they sent me over a dress to wear to it, but I ended up not getting the dress in time. And so I've just had this dress, and it's really cute actually. I don't know what the vibe of the wedding is, like color scheme wise, and I never know what to wear to weddings if they don't have like a dress code. Like, I need someone to tell me exactly what to wear. So hopefully this is cute. It's like a little short dress, but I feel like because it's summer, because it's a summer wedding, it's at 4 p.m. I think part of it is outside, so I'm like, I feel like I could wear like a little color and it'd be really cute, but we'll see. Who knows? My like fear showing up to weddings is that I show up in something completely off-brand and off the vibe, and then everyone is like, who invited that girl? Especially because it's Brandon's like friends from high school, so it's like one of his best friends from high school, and so like some of his friends will be there, and I don't know them all that well. Obviously they're people that he grew up with, but not people I grew up with, so it'll be very different. And I never want to be that girl that shows up and everyone's like, where did she come from and what is she wearing? But I'll send a little picture to Brandon and be like, is this the vibe, yes or no? Even though boys never know the vibe. He'll literally just reply and be like, oh my god, gorgeous, I love it. And then I'll get there and it'll be like a black and white event. It'll be in blue. I'm also kind of bummed because I really wanted Brandon to drive me to this event. I didn't want to drive by myself or go like later than him, because I wanted to sit in the car and read my book the whole way there, but obviously now I'm not because I'm driving myself. Tomorrow was Saturday though, and you know what? I've had non-stop stuff going on, and tomorrow I just want to lay. Like, I don't want to do anything. I don't want to go anywhere. I want to sit and get my life together. All right, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup off camera really quick so I can listen to the toast while I get ready. I'll show you guys my outfit. I think this is what I'm gonna just stick with, but if I change it, I'll show you guys anyway. Okay, I'm all dressed and ready. I actually really like this dress. I mean, I knew I liked it before, but having it on with my makeup and all my stuff, I feel like it's so cute, especially because it's like short. I feel like it makes my legs look really long in these heels. So I'm wearing my little blue dress. It's my Amanda Upricher dress. I'll link it. And then makeup. I straightened my hair and then I kind of like flipped all my ends in so that way it gives them like, I don't know, looks a little bit more done. Now I'm ready. I'm gonna go to the wedding. I'll try and take a couple clips. Like I said, it is a wedding where I don't know a lot of people. It's mainly Brandon's like friends and family and stuff like that, and so I'll take a couple clips at the wedding. But I'm actually pleasantly surprised with my wedding dress outfit. I think it's very cute. Hi guys, I am hopping on to end off this vlog. It's Saturday and we actually stayed the night in Ventura yesterday, which is where Brandon's family lives. I was so exhausted. Also, I'm kind of losing my voice. I think it's from the concert. But anyway, we stayed the night in Ventura because I was so tired that I couldn't drive back and it was just closer to go stay at Brandon's mom's house. So we stayed there and then we drove back this morning. I've been in bed literally right here rotting away all day because I was like, I just want to lay all day and do nothing. So that's what I did, and I read my book, and now Brandon's picking me up and taking me on a little date. We're gonna go somewhere very casual and just grab some food together, but that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come on here and end off this vlog and tell you guys thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.